How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing an ab workout. The exercise that I've chosen today is going to be scissors. If you guys are new to the channel, what I do with my ab workouts is I pick one exercise, then we do 10 sets with around 5 to 10 repetitions. So if you guys are just tuning in, this is going to be an amazing workout. Follow along, let's get started. Again, we're doing scissors. And wow, the minute I put the microphone on the ground, she hears the mic on the ground, she wants to be in the video. That's attention, man. She wants that attention. She wants to be YouTube famous. Soon, Sparky, soon. Okay, so to do scissors, if you guys don't know, we're going to be doing 5 repetitions. This is 1 rep. So scissors, you do like this. This is scissors. So 1 rep is the top and the bottom. That's 1 rep. So this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 reps is all you need. Well, technically, you can say that it's 10 reps because we're doing the top, then the bottom. So you could say it's 10 repetitions, but I'm just going to count it as 5 repetitions. But yeah, we'll take 40-second to 1-minute breaks, and then we will continue on. Look at her. She's more in the video than I am. She's just staring at me. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, you don't know already, what I do in between my rest periods, because you need that rest period, is I'll just talk about the dog. I'll talk about random things. Just helps the time go by, and you guys get to know me a little bit better, what I'm doing in my life, my personal life, stuff like that. So I find that's a good element to bring into my channel, and that's what I like to do. So yeah, if I'm talking lots, it's because we're during a rest period, my friends. And if you guys haven't met, this is the mascot of the channel. She's the workout fitness dog, Sparky. She's always in the videos. Let's do another 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like 90% of the time, when I'm making a video, she'll come upstairs and she'll just sit like this, right? And she'll moan and she'll bark and she'll roll around on the ground. But I love her, so it's okay that she's in the video. I'm pretty happy. I made 3 videos last night. I made 2, and then I scheduled 1 for this morning. And yeah, pretty pumped about it. I did my 2 workout videos and my 1 informational video. That's what I planned to do, and that's what I did. So I'm pretty pumped about that. Probably going to do exactly the same thing tonight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule them now morning, noon, and before bed, or supper time, if you will, 3 times a day. But I'm going to spread them out a little bit. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, for anyone wondering, people might be like, wow, this is not enough. It's only 10 repetitions. You don't need to do 40, 50 repetitions to see results. The main thing, wow, she came back, but she brought her ball. Wow. That's awesome. Anyways, you don't need to do 40 repetitions. You don't need to do 50 repetitions. 10 to 20 repetitions is just fine for your abs. Body weight movements are okay. It's better to do weighted if you can, but if you can't, body weight is just as good. You will still get 6-pack abs. But yeah, another 10 seconds, then we will do another set. Why are you barking at me? She'll just bark at me for no reason. Kind of hurts my feelings. Just kidding. Okay. Another 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wearing this hoodie because it is a little bit cold in my house. I'm now starting to warm up a little bit because I'm doing this workout. It's getting kind of hot. Got my double-double. If you guys don't know, that's what I've been doing lately the last couple of weeks, is every time I get home from work, I'll go to Tim Hortons and I will get a large double-double. It just makes my day a little bit better and I get excited for it. Also have coffee on the weekend too. I'll have large double-doubles too, so I basically have them every single day. If you think about it, they're about $2. 30 days, that's $60 on coffee. That's quite a bit. And I'll drink coffee at home too. I have little Keurig cups, K-cups. I'll have those too. 4 more seconds, and we're going again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you can do higher reps if you want. You can do 10. Well, we're technically doing 10. I'm just counting it as 5. We're technically doing 10 repetitions. You can do 20 if you want. Woohoo! But yeah, tonight I'm going to make another 3 vids. I'm going to make 2 workout vids, make another informational vid, and then I'm going to do a ton of videos on my other channel. Last night, my parents were in town, in the city, and we went for supper, and I only made 3 videos on my other channel. So that's not very good. Usually, I will make at least 10. I try to make 20 to 30 per day, but at least 10 usually. 3 was just off the rocks. I was like, what? Let's do another. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will also be doing forearm workouts too in the next couple of days, so that'll be up on the channel too, a forearm workout. I will, just like my ab videos, I make quite a bit of ab videos. I make quite a bit of Kegel videos. I am going to make quite a bit of forearm videos too. People like forearm videos. And just cardio workouts and burning fat workouts, which is pretty well the same. Cardio, fat burning, it's the same thing. So I'm going to be making some of those too. So that's what's to come. The informational videos will be, like I made one on how to get rid of a hickey. People like those. I'll make one on whistling. I'll make one on what are some other ones? I can't think right now. Jawline. People love jawline videos. So just whatever the subscribers want, that's what I make. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go get your ball. Go get it. She has her favorite toy, like this orange ball, which she does all the time. I'll show you guys. She has this stupid ball here, and you can never get it from her. She look at, she always hides it from you. See how she's hiding it with her neck? You can't get it from her ever. She just hides it. And then if you don't, then she'll bark at you. Like, isn't that the most annoyingest thing in the world? She wants to play, but she doesn't give the ball to you. See, watch, I'll try to get the ball. See what she does? Like, okay. Enough of that, let's do another set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wow, I'm definitely feeling it in my abs now. Definitely. This has been a great workout. I love doing scissors. One of the good exercise that I like to do. I got it from her. She's not that quick. What she'll do sometimes is she'll sit right on my microphone. I have a mic right here that I talk with. She'll sit right on my mic. I'm like, what are you doing? But yeah, today I will be making another workout video. I'll be doing a Kegel workout, I believe. I believe that's what's on my schedule. And then I will be making a whistling video. Surprisingly, a lot of subscribers want me to make a whistling video, so I will make them a video on that. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, 5. Whew. Okay, that's the end of the workout. Before we go, whatever videos you guys want me to make, comment below. I will make them. I know I get the odd subscriber that will recommend a video. Sometimes I won't make the video if only one subscriber says to make it on that topic. Generally, I need at least a few, at least 2 or 3. If there's just one, then I might make. Generally, I'll make it. I'm a nice guy. I will make it. But I'd like to see 3, 4, 5 people mention it first, and then I'll make a video on it. But whatever you guys want for videos, comment below. I will make them. Like, I've been making hickey videos, whistling videos, People love the ab and Kegel workout, so I'll continue to do those. And yeah, just comment below if you want me to make a vid. Thank you for watching.